Hi there, I'm Francisco. I'm one of the product managers here at Glofox, and today I want to give you a quick tour of Amplify's member expiring workflow. We know that attracting new members can cost up to 5 times as much as retaining your existing ones, yet most studios are underinvesting when it comes to retention. This is where Amplify comes in, making sure that you're automatically engaging with every single member at risk of expiring. So let's start. You can go to the Connect and then to the Messages tab, where you will see all of Amplify's workflows, including member expiring. You can see we already have it set to active. And if we open it, similar to other Amplify workflows, we see that we have a start rule, a stop rule, and a sequence of messages that is set. In this case, we are targeting any members that have an active unlimited membership that is set to expire. We're also excluding anyone that has an auto renewal or another membership already booked. We want to make sure we're only targeting those that are at risk of churning and becoming a lost member. If that is the case, they will then start receiving this cadence of messages, which is following industry best practices for the best results. But if you want to edit the cadence, you can disable specific messages or edit its content to make sure that it fits your tone of voice. The messages will then be sent either up until the date of expiration, or ideally, if at any point during that period they purchase a new membership, the messages will also stop being sent, as that means that we achieved that goal of saving that member and keeping them retained. As a final tip, one thing that we've seen work really well is adding incentives as the messages go on. So in the initial messages, maybe you're keeping things more educational, focused on the benefits of having your community, but in that final week, you may want to include promotional codes or a free service to really incentivize people to stay on. If you have any more questions about this workflow or Amplify in general, make sure to reach out to us.